From the client portal, click the SMS Campaigns tab. You will see two cards, brand registration on the left and campaign registration on the right. Each card shows a colored status badge that tells you exactly where you are in the registration process. The status badge updates automatically as your brand and campaign move through each stage. In this video, we will walk through every status your campaign can have, what each one means, and what you should expect at each stage. The first status is draft. When you start filling out your campaign form and click Save Draft, your campaign is saved but not yet submitted. In draft status, you can edit any field as many times as you like. Nothing has been sent to your administrator or the carriers yet. This is your workspace. You can come back tomorrow, next week, or whenever you're ready. When you're confident everything is correct, click Submit for Review to move to the next stage. After you click Submit for Review, your campaign moves to Pending Review. This means your submission has been sent to your account administrator for review. During this stage, you cannot edit the campaign. Your administrator will check your description, sample messages, and use case to make sure everything meets carrier requirements before forwarding it to the carriers. Most reviews are completed within 1 business day. You will see the status update automatically when the review is complete. Once your administrator approves your campaign, it moves to Submitted Status. This means your campaign has been forwarded to the campaign registry and the carrier networks, including AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, for final registration. During this stage, the carriers are reviewing your campaign details and assigning it to their networks. This is an automated process and typically takes anywhere from a few hours to a few business days. You do not need to do anything during this stage. Just check back periodically to watch for the status update. The status you are waiting for is active. When your campaign reaches active status, it means all carrier networks have approved your campaign, your phone numbers have been assigned, and you are fully registered to send SMS messages. Your campaign ID and sharing status will show as complete. At this point, your 10DLC registration is done. You can send and receive text messages through your assigned phone numbers with full carrier compliance. This is the final successful state in the lifecycle. If your campaign does not pass the administrator review, it will move to rejected status. Do not worry, this is fixable. When a campaign is rejected, you will see specific feedback explaining what needs to be corrected. Common reasons include a description that is too vague, sample messages missing your brand name or content flags that do not match your samples. Read the feedback carefully, click Edit and Resubmit, make the requested corrections, and submit again. A resubmission fee will apply, so take the time to address all feedback in one pass. Here is what to expect for timing. After you submit, administrator review is usually completed within 1 business day. Once approved and sent to the carriers, brand identity verification typically takes about 2 minutes. Campaign registration with the carriers can take anywhere from a few hours to several business days, depending on the carrier review queue. The entire process, from submission to active status, is usually completed within 1 to 5 business days. Check back on your SMS Campaigns tab periodically to watch the status badges update. If your brand or campaign is rejected, the sooner you address the feedback, the sooner you will be up and running.